Deputy First Minister, you'll be aware that there is a real issue in Pembrokeshire, as Natural Resources Wales's recent river nitrates guidance is having a huge impact on development in the area, which will have a negative impact on the economy in my constituency. Now, many live planning applications are affected, hundreds of new homes at risk, including affordable homes, and thousands of direct and indirect jobs are also at risk. As you know, this is something I've been raising with the Welsh Government for several months now. And despite reports that a rapid action task force has been established, we're still waiting for progress. Indeed, even the Labour group leader on Pembrokeshire County Council has spoken out on this, calling the actions of officials and ministers in Cardiff Bay embarrassing. Therefore, will you listen to the calls made by politicians from all parties and accelerate action to address this issue so that important developments can go ahead and jobs are no longer at risk?
Thank you, Paul. We're not only listening, but we're already acting, as you hinted at there. So NRW's latest assessments, just to be clear, confirm that nutrient pollution is harming marine protected areas. So we're treating this with urgency. We issued a written statement on the 10th of October. But whilst the range of house building is continuing in the impacted regions, we accept that resolving the current impact on future developments is a top priority. So we've put in place that high-level task force, which has met now on several occasions, including, by the way, the local authority leaders. It's bringing together Welsh Government, NRW, local authorities and Dirprwy Cymru to identify the short-term quick wins and the longer-term solutions to unlock sustainable development in the areas affected. And we're backing that, by the way, Paul, that action with over £2 million in support to help local authorities implement their nutrient neutrality measures and to get development moving again. And I'm confident, Paul, that through the task force and the engagement with leaders across the affected areas, we will find that balance and find the way forward.